Glory be to God. Welcome to D Weaver Art here on YouTube, the channel for art lovers who love realistic and impressionistic style portrait. Well, I want to let you know what I'm up to right now. I've just got home from serve day at my local church, and I now have the opportunity to go and get my French easel repaired. Now, my French easel repair needs to be done because the last time I used it, which was probably about a week or so ago, I had trouble tightening the bolt at a live painting that I was at. And I didn't like that. So now it's an opportunity for me to go get a new bolt, put that bolt in it. It comes with a wing nut, and so I'm gonna take the wing nut that I bought from Lowe's the previous time on the other side. Now it's the other side. All right, so I'm gonna go and put this French easel on this table that I normally paint on, mix my colors on. French easel. Got this right here that needs to go to the side, but it's gonna be on the other side. And I can see this is kind of loose, but I'm going to probably have to, if it comes an issue in the future, I have to put some wood glue inside that hole. But just like this right here, I'm gonna have to put another one on the other side. I had just fixed this one, and so it works now. All right, I'm gonna go and turn this around because it's on the other side. This should be right here now. This is the one that I'm gonna be working on right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna just open this up. Open up the French easel. And then pull it back a little bit from the easel itself. The other easel I got here. I'm just gonna have to lead this up here. Locking in the sliding mechanism here. This thing, take this out. This needs to come completely out. This drawer, it comes with a drawer, and it's actually, I want to take it out like through here at the back. There it is. All right, I removed the drawer. Now I gotta take this off. I might be able to get away with using this, looks like brand new, but I don't know. Let's see, it looks like it's brand new, but I don't know. Let's see, now pull this completely off. Comes with this washer here. Drop this washer. It's a washer it comes with that needs to go back on there when I get ready. See, now I gotta remove this nut off this bolt here. Take this off here now. This bolt kind of gets it snug up against the body of the French easel. On the back side of this bolt is a Phillips head. I think it's a Phillips head, then again it's not. Looks like I'm gonna have to bend this back off here. Got to be careful this second time around because I cut my hand on this tin that's inside the, I don't know why there's a lining in here, but I really find it very unnecessary. But they got a lining in here. Here's where it's got really stripped and it's hard to come off. Using my needle nose pliers to get this thing off. I could use my I could use my not socket wrench, but a regular wrench. But once I get it past this part, I can kind of manually maneuver it off of it. And I have to hammer this back off, tap this back on the inside, and then take it out, remove it. And there it is, warped, as you can kind of see. It's really warped, really bad. See how warped it is? Really, really warped. Get the washer, put the washer back on. Goes over here. Actually, now the washer is too small for that, so just put this on. It should be all right. I have to go buy a washer for the size of this bolt here to put on. Oh, this is the wrong. I think this is the wrong one. Yeah, I think that was the wrong one. This should be it right here. Yep. Test something out real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna need to probably get another, and get a washer that will fit on to the size of this. So I have to do this right now to stabilize it. And that's good. That's not moving. Very good. Pleased with that. Now let's loosen it. Probably keep from getting hurt or injured. I'm going to cut a little bit of this off with a hacksaw. Not going to do that tonight. I'm just going to leave that there. Then pull this back out. Turn over here. Snaps into place. Put the nut back onto the bolt. Tighten it up. Voila. Boom. Fixed. What do you think about the video? Leave a comment below. If you're out there, you're an artist, you have a damaged easel, similar to mine's, a French easel, how did this video help you repair your French easel? I hope to help you guys out there that have a French easel that has a strip bolt. Now you know what you can do. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, please share the video. And until then, thank you for watching. God bless you, and see you next time.